Have you ever wondered how to take your crops from just surviving to truly thriving? Today, we're going to dig into a powerful solution that transforms plant health right from the ground up. Let's get into it. Just take a look at this. It's a night and day difference, right? On the left, you've got a problem we've all seen: yellowing, nutrient-starved leaves. But on the right, that's the goal: lush, green, and full of life. We're about to show you exactly how to get this kind of incredible change. So the big question is, how do you get from that sad before to that amazing after? What if you could get these results in your own field or even your own garden? Well, the secret isn't some magic potion you spray on the leaves. It's all about enriching the soil itself. And that's where something called humic acid flakes comes into the picture. This isn't just any fertilizer. It's a specific organic product designed for some pretty incredible results, and we're going to break down exactly how it works. Now, this powerful stuff actually comes in a few different forms. As you can see, granules, powder, and flakes. They all have their uses, but today we're really going to zero in on these highly effective and super easy to use shiny flakes. So what is it exactly? Well, at its heart, potassium humate is an organic fertilizer. It comes from natural sources, and its whole job is to make the soil a better home for your plants, which in turn seriously boosts their overall health and vitality. All right, let's get into the science of it. Because, it's one thing to say something works, but it's way better to understand why it works. And believe me, the power in these flakes isn't magic. It's all down to its very specific chemical makeup. And we know this because its quality is actually verified by a certificate of analysis. We're going to pull a few key numbers straight from that certificate to show you the crucial ingredients that make these flakes so darn powerful. First up, the humic acid content. At 55% or more, this is the main event. Humic acid is an absolute powerhouse for improving the physical structure of the soil. It helps it hold on to water and nutrients so much better. Next, let's talk about total organic matter. We're talking over 80%. This is a massive indicator of soil fertility. You see, high organic matter creates this thriving world for all the tiny beneficial microorganisms that are essential for a healthy soil ecosystem. And finally, potassium oxide content is at least 12%. Think of this potassium as a plant's multivitamin. It's vital for helping it manage water, activate enzymes, and it really strengthens the plant's natural defenses against stresses like drought or disease. So here's a quick look at those key specs all in one place. You can see the high concentration of all the good stuff. And also notice this, it's completely water soluble. That's huge because it means it gets to work super fast as soon as you apply it. Okay, we've seen the science on paper. Now for the fun part. Let's see how all that chemistry translates into real, visible results that you can actually see with your own eyes. We're back to this first image. And now you know why that aftershot is so vibrant and green. It's the humic acid and organic matter working together, letting the plant finally soak up all the food it was desperate for. It's not starving anymore. And this is absolutely brilliant because it shows what's happening underground, where you can't usually see. On the left, you've got weak, dark roots, but on the right, a huge, robust system of healthy white roots. That right there is the engine of a strong, resilient plant. And ultimately, all of that hard work leads to this, the payoff. Healthier leaves and stronger roots mean better quality and bigger yields. I mean, just look at the difference between that small, spotty fruit and that large, perfect one. It's incredible. So, to wrap this all up, let's just summarize the key takeaways. What are the absolute core benefits you're giving your soil when you use a product like this? This picture really captures the end goal, doesn't it? A thriving, productive environment where your plants can finally reach their full potential. It's all about shifting from just feeding the plant to building a living, resilient soil that sustains that plant for the long term. It really boils down to these three pillars. First, you improve the soil structure, making it a cozier home for roots with better water retention. Second, you enhance fertility by boosting that crucial organic matter, which basically feeds the entire microscopic world in the soil. And third, you strengthen the crop's own immune system, making it tougher against all the challenges the environment throws at it. It all starts from the ground up. The science and the pictures show a really clear path from a struggling crop to a thriving one. So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to unlock your soil's full potential?